gentlemen, step right up for another amazing banger by Lex Blaze and Daddy Paul. Touchdown to Heathrow, DP and me bro. About to hit the club and turn that shit to a freak show. Look through the peephole, everybody geek yo. Need to get girl with an extremely deep. See 6 midgets that be fighting, juggling. Maybe it's just me, cause my mind is struggling. Babes, boyfriend is acting like a clown. You know what's going down every time that we are down. Take a look through the peephole, yo, everybody's getting geek bro. Stop the hate and let them neeks know that we turn the club into a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club, yeah, we turn the club to a freak show. To a freak show. Snow White eating rotten apples, dirty bass that be coming at you. Roller coasters like a supernova, I'm the ringmaster, this my tabernacle. See you screaming, I'm like, what for? Oh, you pop? Yeah, I got popcorn. Haven't wake up on the wrong lawn, so we won't stop, it's a lost cause. Take a look through the peephole, yo, everybody's getting geek bro. Stop the hate and let them neeks know that we turn the club into a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club, yeah, we turn the club to a freak show. To a freak show.
Well, I was gonna have a second flight, but I don't think I'm gonna bother because I think I might have just melted my propellers off. Anyway, the motors are super hot after that first flight, but I made a few adjustments in beta flight last time, so and I'm going on 4S, so I don't know what's going on. Motors are getting super hot here. They're only 6,000 kV, so it should be able to handle 4S, no problem. ESC is okay. So yeah, maybe wrong kind of props, who knows. So I was gonna have another flight, but I won't bother because of that, and plus my daughter's here with me, and that first flight was not too crazy because she kind of gets sick in the goggles. Right? Hi. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You didn't get sick? Sometimes? A little bit?
But now it's gone.
Okay, good. Daddy used to get sick a lot at first. So that's it for today, guys. See what the heck is going on with this thing. Alright, see you next time. Take care.